inconsistencies in preparing it in the same way so that our customers can get the same taste as it was 100 years ago.
We actually soak the rice for 25 minutes before cooking it to enhance the absorption of the coconut milk. We fry our sambal ourselves, so we actually use red dried shrimp to increase the umami of the sambal.
The name pipa duck comes from the shape of the duck. It's skewered open, so it looks like the shape of the musical instrument, the pipa. We roast it over charcoal every day, and it's marinated with a specially formulated seafood sauce.
I always believe in giving the freshest ingredient because you must always let Mother Nature be the artist. You are simply just the cook.